Pay-per-view events may be purchased through the program guide. Programs that are available for the pay-per-view purchase will appear in the program guide with a PPV gold ticket symbol, the event price, and the airtime. To purchase a pay-per-view event, select the pay-per-view event and press the OK button. A purchase information window will appear showing the event, title, start time, end time, and price. You may also select whether or not the purchased pay-per-view event should be available to all set-top boxes in the home. Unless the Share Whole Home field is set to Yes, the pay-per-view event will only be viewable on the set-top box that the event is purchased from. Enter your purchase PIN. Select Purchase, and a Confirm Purchase window will appear, showing the pay-per-view event purchase information. Select Confirm Purchase. The event will have a reminder automatically added once the purchase is confirmed.